everyone, it's nearly the weekend and welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got you 10 eBay OA leads. So let's check some of the samples from our leads today. There you go. We got you this Elizabeth Arden Red Door body lotion that you could buy for 10.75 and sell it for 21.99, double its price. And then let's check this one from Argos. There you go. Buy this for 7.50 and sell it for 20.89, more than its price doubled. So check out all the rest of the available items that we got for you guys because we got great deals and finds for you today. So if you want to earn free extra money, we got you these channels: affiliate income, review giveaways, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to earn free extra money from us, feel free to check these channels. There you go. We got you a price drop monitoring channel, which is a bot operated channel that you could see all the latest deals and price drop of websites. So check out this one: 30% to 50% price drop from today, guys. 40%, there you go, and a lot more. So check out all the rest of these sales, price drops, and these other websites as well. Another bot-operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to eBay channel, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of Amazon that you could sell to your eBay store. So if you're into flipping, check this channel out. And lastly, our general community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it, and of course, share achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.